Hello friends, here I am with new video on cleaning validation. In today's video we are going to understand the basic terms used in the cleaning validation. First one is cleaning validation. It is a documented evidence to establish that the cleaning procedure are removing residues of a drug to predetermine level of acceptability, taking into consideration factors such as the batch size, dosing, toxicology, and equipment size or the surface area. The permitted daily exposure (PDE) it represents a substance specific dose that is unlikely to cause an adverse effect if an individual is exposed at or below this dose every day for a lifetime. For example, an operator who is working in uh, an area where he is getting exposed to a particular drug, the PDE value will suggest how much exposure he is allowed or the precautions he should take to avoid the exposure beyond the PDE value. The acceptable daily exposure, it is similar to PDE, and it also states that same thing, which is the allowable daily exposure. Next one is acceptable daily intake ADI. Unlike earlier terms, it talks about intake and not the exposure. So it is a measure of amount of a specific substance or drug that can be ingested daily over a lifetime without an appreciable health risk. And this terminology is basically applicable for oral ingestion. The next one is maximum allowable carryover MACO. It is a mathematically calculated quantity of residue from a previous product when carried over into a different product that can represent potential harm to the patient. So the purpose of cleaning validation is to contain the residue below the maximum allowable carryover limit. Next one is no observable adverse effect level NOAEL. The NOAEL is the highest tested dose at which no adverse effect is observed. Very simple definition. Next one is process strain. Again a simple term. A process strain is a sequence of process stages that produce an intermediate or a finished product. For example, for a tablet dosage form, the process strain can consist of the granulation, drying, milling, blending, compression processes, and these processes used in a sequence are called process strain. Similarly, there is a term called equipment drain. So it defines the different equipments used in a sequential manner for manufacturing of an intermediate or finished product. Next term is health based exposure limit. Earlier we saw the acceptable exposure dose. So it is similar term. It is a process to allow assessment of the hazard posed by a drug which takes into consideration the toxicological aspects of the drug. Next one is lowest therapeutic dose. Again a simple definition. The lowest dose level that yields a therapeutic benefit to patients on an average or to a given percentage of patient is called lowest therapeutic dose. Next one is maximum therapeutic dose. Similar to the earlier one, it is the upper limit beyond which a drug's efficiency is not increased and side effects begin to outweigh the beneficial effects. That is called the maximum therapeutic dose. So these were the definitions which are routinely used in the cleaning validation. In next video we will see more about the cleaning validation and different calculations, swap techniques, etc. So stay tuned on my channel. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell button to get notification of the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.